No hands to warm, no bedtime story, no lullaby, no little steps in the middle of the night. And the nation's numb. Is this what our forefathers had in mind? What is happening in Washington? 'Cause it's not enough. Your thoughts and prayers, you send your love, you say you care, but you are not.